Hello everyone, and welcome to my review of Komodo! Now, Komodo was a character that first appeared in Tokyo Meta. He appears to be the Tokyo counterpart of Wingo, and as such, he appears to be a Gashi Wingo. His name likely comes from the Komodo dragon, which his artwork is based around. Komodo, along with Wingo, is most likely based on a 1994 to 1999 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Also, he has bigger taillights than Wingo, which once again verifies that fact. Komodo was added as a playable character to Cars Fast Lightning in the June 2015 update, alongside Yakuza, whose model is based on DJs, and various neon-themed items and decorations. He has his own track, Komodo's track, which is unlocked alongside him, as well as Komodo's pet. He has two paint jobs, Neon Komodo and Mecha Mod, that can be unlocked by winning practice races at Komodo's track, or by purchasing them with gems. Now, in terms of releases, he was only released twice, once in 2010, and the second in 2015. But still, let's have a closer look at him. So, as you can see, we've got that very lizard design with huge sides that hang down. You like really hang down. Look at him from the front. Wow. Look. And lovely Komodo dragon inspired design. Now, it can easily be mistaken for something like a lizard, if you get what I mean. It's got the red stripes around the side. I'm assuming like a Komodo dragon. I don't know my animals at all, so someone will have to correct me. Oh, and look at those headlights. They've got a little design into them, which you may not be able to see that well, but it is there. Trust me. Oh, and it appears his rims are a different colour to his actual body. Not sure if that's on purpose, but just wanted to point that out. Well, here we go. There we go. Huge exhaust, like Supras. Some Mark IV Supras. Some, not all of them do. Some of them have been left stock, but not all of them. That's for sure. Not all of them. Not a lot. I want to say that.